Okay, I have gone into my PyCharm, all right, since some students are using PyCharm. Okay. When you actually start with your PyCharm, when you create a new project, you will get this. Right? Okay, you will get this. So your project name followed by the path. Now, if you want to work with files, you need to know where is it. So you need this. Okay, so in this case particularly, okay, because I did not actually change the path, is C user limjetwee document Python project, which you need to navigate to it. How to navigate? Well, follow this. Okay, so C, then follow by user limjetwee document. Where's the document? Yep, okay, document and Python project. See it? Just follow this. If you want to confirm this, click the top. You will find that it should be the same. All right, it should be the same. Okay, so right now, these are what I can see inside. Right, these are what I can see inside. Of course, this is the folders. All right, and then this is the subfolders which you can actually open up. Right, so you can see all these things are inside here. Okay, so you can see all these things inside here. But I want to work with files. Right, I want to work with files. I have two files here. One is data to add, like this, and one is second data, like this. All right, so I got these two files here. See? All right, something like that. Okay, so I'm not going to use this file first. I'm going to close this file. Okay, I'm going to copy. Right. Okay. Usually I copy first. Right. Copy to where? Copy to this location. This location. See, remember this location up here. Copy it, paste it there. Okay, paste it over there. You will see the two files are already detected and they are here. See that? The moment I paste it there, I can see it inside here. Which means now I can actually open these two files. See, I can actually open these two files inside here. All right. So this will make it a lot easier, all right, because now you do not have to identify the path, right, the path of the file.